Alrighty, guys, welcome back to the Crazy Moose's Crazy YouTube channel. We're down here in the Moose Cave, just trying to have a little freaking fun, not trying to take life too seriously, guys. We're going to get a new dooski here on the desk. What I'm going to do is, if I get my first gout, I'm going to crack that open and start saga-lagging. You guys, we got the HurrIcanes going up against the Blue Jackets here tonight here in Rocket League Snowday Hockey. We're taking the HurrIcanes. We got 3-on-3. We got pro difficulty set up. 5-minute game. I turned the unlimited turbo off. Oh, shoot. Here we go. Little up taps, you guys. Zoinks. Oh, I can't believe I missed it. Come on. Send it around. But like I say, you guys, we're just down here in the Moose Cave, trying to have some fun. Here we go! Oh, I was going to bring the heat and just blast it, but look at this! Dude! Push out people out of the way, drops it into the side corner. 20 seconds into the game, we're up 1-0. Zoinks! Oh, shoot. Alright. Don't let him score. Don't let him score. There you go, dude. There you go, dude. Oh, shoot, that was being set up right for me. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Come on. Kick it over my head, please. Oh, shoot. Just got to clear it out of the zone. There we go! We went around the corner, we pushed dude out of the way, we smacked it into the side. Look! Zoinks! Zoinks! 2-0, 3:57 to go in the game, you guys. Crazy Moose taking the HurrIcanes, going up against the Jackets. Oh, look at this little jump. Oh, he kicked it out. Here we go, here we go. Little run. Zoinks! Oh, my goodness. You guys, I completely missed it. Here we go. Zoinkles. Come on around. Come on around. Come on around. Come on down. There we go. Baby Moose on a hood slide. Nice. 3:24 to go in the game, you guys. We're up 3-0. Blue Jackets just don't have it tonight. Here we go. Come on. Center it around. Nobody. How about if I center it? Look at this. Shoot it. There we go. Dude comes up after I centered it for him perfectly. I'm like, okay, everybody clear. Zoinks. I mean, does it get any easier than that? Just sitting there waiting. Smack-a-doodles. You guys go get it. I'm going to just chill here for a second. Dang it. Oh, shoot. Zoinks. Send it around. Here you go, buddy. There you go. Crazy Moose gets the score. You guys, I forgot to open up my dooski. I done scored 5 points. You see me carry that one? Oh. Scout tried to score it, but it went off my noggin and into the back of the net. Here we go. Zoinks. Zoinks. Oh, shoot. There's a battle here in the middle of the rink. Oh, my freaking goodness gracious, you guys. I done screwed that one up 14 ways to Sunday. I could have played that one so much better. 5-1. 2:34 to go in the game. We're trying to get 20 more scores. Zoinks! Oh, shoot. There we go. Perfect center. Land your wheels. Land your wheels. I don't know where the puck went. What the puck? Zoinks! Double zoinks! Oh, get it! Crazy moose, you guys. Looking fantastic. Look, oh, double hits. Zoink, 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 zoinks. 6-1. Blue Jackets are getting smothered by a hurricane. Zoinks. All right, play a little D, you guys. Play a little D. Boom. Boom. Center that around, dude. Dude! Here we go. Here we go. Little love taps. Oh! Gerwin saved it. Oh, shoot. All right, grab this other one. Come on. Oh, I was going to try to give it a little love tap. Here we go. Set it up, buddy. Come on, Scout. Set it around. Set it around. Someone got exploded. Give me that one. Oh! Oh, he got enough speed! Oh, shit, we're still chasing it around! Zoinks! Oh, I tipped it. I tipped it. I gave it a little tip! There it goes! You guys, we have done the freaking cycle. There we go, there we go. I mean, we went around the freaking arena like twice. Swink. Just a little love tap. Takes it up perfectly in the dead center of the zone. Rainmaker tried to kick it out, but he couldn't. He pushed it in the back of the net. 7-1, you guys. Crazy moves. Taking the Hurricanes here tonight over the Blue Jackets. Oh, I done smackle doodle dude his dude. Oh, here we go. Come on, come on. There we go. Let's see if we see all this. Nope. There we go. We got that. We got around that dude. Again. Oh, that should have been a pinball or what they call it, a billiards pool short. Oh, exploders. Oh, give me an epic save on that one. Come on. Oh, son of a gun, you guys. Thanks. Kick it up in the air at least. Kick it up. There we go. That could be good. That could be good. That didn't count as a goal. That did not count as a goal, you guys. Oh, shoot. My accolades. We got 6 goals. 8 goals, or 8 shots on goal. Hurricanes win 8-1. Crazy move. 6 goals, 1 assist on 8 shots. Dude had 2 goals on 1 assist with 2 shots. Scout had 2 or 3 assists with 2 shots and no goals. Look at their saves. Rainmaker had 2. Gerwin had 1. And then Fomer was the only one that scored on their team. You guys, hit the like, hit the freaking subscribe. We're down here in the Moose Cave playing a little Rocket League Snowday. We had the Blue Jackets going up against the Hurricanes, but the Hurricanes washed them out. I don't know what a hurricane warning sounds like, but I was trying. You guys, till next time, I'm out.